Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about extending the date table and we'll add the day number. So let's say for 1st of Jan it's 1, for 2nd of Jan it's 2, for 31st of Jan it's 31. So we'll learn how to extract the day, and that's how we'll enhance our date table. So I've already got the calendar date table created, and you can see here it's based on the calendar function. So we're giving the starting date and the ending date, and it will create a calendar table. So if you go here, you can see that it's created the date field in the calendar date table, starting from 1st of Jan 2010, and you'll see it goes and extends till 1st of Jan 2025. Now we'll learn how to extend this so we can get the day field out, and we can use it to do analytics. So all we need to do is on this calendar date table, so you just select this and you say new measure. You could have a new column or a new measure, doesn't matter. We'll use the new column and we'll call this day of a month, and we'll just say is equal to day, and then we'll just add the date field. And so this is the date field, and I'll just close it out here, and then I'll just hit enter. And you can see it's created a day of month field. So it's just going on till 31, and then it resets itself again. So maybe you want to see how the sales are on the first or every month, or you want to see if it's cyclical, in the sense that is there a point of time in the monthly cycle that the sales go up, or you might want to do some other analysis. So we learn how to add more columns and enhance the date table further, but it's just one way. So you can add more columns to the date table to enhance it based on your needs and the needs of your organization. So just to recap, in this video we've learned how to extend the date table with the day number. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.